Hello, I'm Carl Bradge, I'm Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce to you the Cooper Webb YZ450F. This is a factory Yamaha motorcycle made by New Ray Toys. Now, if you weren't that familiar with Cooper Webb, let me go ahead and talk a little bit about him and his accomplishments as I do this unboxing. In 2002, Cooper Webb won his first amateur national championship on a Yamaha PW50 at age 6. His family began traveling the country racing major amateur events, and it wasn't long before he was one of the most dominant amateur races in America. The family began traveling the country racing major amateur events, and it wasn't long before Cooper was one of the most dominant amateur racers in America. Robert and Trent made every effort to keep Cooper's environment as normal as possible, electing to have him attend school rather than homeschooling, which is the choice of many parents of top pro prospects. Cooper was fortunate to have caught the eye of Star Racing Yamaha's Bobby Regan, who was looking for a championship caliber rider to develop for his factory-backed professional team. Cooper signed a 3-year deal with Regan and Yamaha, the first year as an amateur with 2 additional years as a professional. Cooper and Star Racing Yamaha experienced phenomenal success together as Cooper closed out his storied amateur career with 23 championships in just over 1 year and 100 career amateur titles. Regan and Yamaha extended Cooper's contract to 2016 as he went on to win the 2015 and 16 AMA 250 SX Western Regional Supercross titles. The final chapter of this incredible story began in 2017 as Cooper joined the Monster Energy factory team to compete in the Premier 450 class in both Supercross and Motocross. In addition, he was awarded permanent number plate by the AMA. He chose number 2, a number rich in history as icons Jeremy McGrath and Ryan Villapoto, both legends in the above sport, were the previous owners of the number. Cooper was born on November 10, 1995 in his hometown of Morehead City, North Carolina. He's 5 foot 7 inches tall and weighs 140 pounds. Now inside this YZ450F box here from New Ray Toys, you're going to see Cooper Webb's factory ride. You're also going to see a cutout of Cooper standing in front of his bike that you could then position on the shelf with the bike in front of it, so you kind of get a 3D effect of Cooper standing behind the bike, sitting on your mantle at home or on the desk in your office. If you like to have the crowd cheering behind him, you've also got this backdrop right here that you can use. I've seen these put into shadow boxes. I've seen them used lots of different ways creatively, and this is a really fun setup if you are a Cooper Webb fan. Now what we have here is Cooper's bike. You can get it to remove from the stand just by simply twisting it and removing it. We've got his bike here with all of his graphics. You've got all kinds of details down to his clutch cover, his brake rotor. The wheels all spin and the suspension works in the rear, not in the front, but the handlebars do turn here in the front. This is a really fun toy or collector's item if you're a Cooper fan or you have a kid that's into motocross. If you're interested in learning more about Cooper Webb or following him, he can be found on Twitter at CooperWebb_2, on Instagram at CooperWebb2, or on Facebook under CooperWebb175. And there you have it. That's just a quick unboxing and quick look at the YZ450F factory bike of Cooper Webb. I'm Carl Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports. If you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this to come directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, take care and ride safe.